happens when things don't fit into the form structure you already given it to? For example, if you decide something, you want things in a particular order in your life and things don't go with it, how do you feel about it? Do you feel like, oh, I'm losing out on something? Many people who say that I'm an perfectionist and I can't tolerate even this much little, and the worst part is they are even proud about it. Well, I'm not judging here, but all I'm trying to say is, do we need to have form structure significance, or is form structure significance only binding you? Welcome to Tool 32, Day 32, which is no form, structure, and significance. So, what do you do when things don't fit into form or structure? Does it really make you, how does it make you feel? My question is, does it make you feel empowered enough or does it make you feel disempowered enough? And if it makes you feel disempowered, how do you react to it? So when things vary or change, do you say, oh no, what's happened? Or you say, okay, that's interesting. It's different. It's something I never thought about. I wonder what change could, what fun could we have here? And what change could we create here? Do you think about it? Today's tool is no form, structure, significance. It is one of the 10 commandments of access. And trust me, after knowing this tool, my life has changed totally. Because when there is no significance, you stop giving significance and importance to things which are not important in your life. When there is no form structure, you don't stand by rules, which means you create your own life according to the way you want. So, if you react to something which is not as per what you planned, do you feel that, oh, that's strange, that's crazy, that is stupid? How can I do this and what can you do this? And do you spend 2, 3 days just feeling bad about it? What if you would like to have less stress? What if you could feel more light? What if you could feel more happy? And in case when things don't go as per what you think, what if you could ask questions like, okay, what fun can I create here? So here are some steps which we are going to tell you what you could use when things are not going right or when things don't go as per planned. Notice the form and structure of your life. Okay. Let go of any significance you have attached to it. Choose the form and structure that works for you. Change whatever doesn't. Ask more questions. And every time when you feel stuck or when you feel things are not working or when you feel that you haven't met your own expectations, say, you can simply say that, okay, this is something new. What change am I expecting here and what fun I could have with this? To know more about it, you can even read the book which is called as 10 Keys to Freedom by Gary Douglas and Dr. Dane Heer, which is amazing book which talks about the wonderful tools of access consciousness. To even get better, you can do an access foundation course, which I recommend to everyone because it has changed my life and I'm sure it will change yours too. And yes, if you just wish to know more about access consciousness, you can log on to www.accessconsciousness.com. And to know more about me and my work, www.unicorninsight.com. You could drop an email to me at ashwini.chube@unicorninsight.com to book your access consciousness session. Thank you very much for watching this video. We are on day 32, tool 32, no structure, no form, no significance. How does it get even better than this? I hope you have a lovely day. Thank you.